All right, so the next step after we simply finish the cart is actually allowing the user to check out, all right? But I want to go ahead and I want to validate the cart first. So if we actually, I'm logged out right now, as you can see, I'm in the login page. So we can actually see the cart right here. So I want, I want to validate this. So once we are logged out, I don't want the user to simply access the cart right here, all right, in the link right like that, all right, because you can see if we click on it, you will see that we will have this error right over here, this error, yeah, where we're simply using the authentication right here, the session, but we're logged out. So this is why it's displaying this error right here. Since we are logged out, we cannot use the ID that's coming from the session. All right. So yeah, let me go ahead and actually try to validate this and in the master template. So if I just go to resources, if I go to views, if I go to layouts app right here, all right. So just give it a second. I just opened up my text editor. All right. So there we go. So if we go right at the bottom of this, you will see, yeah, we need to go up. Yeah, there is actually the cart right there. So we need to validate this. So I want to cut this right here, and I want to add it so it will actually be, let's see, it will be here. All right, so this is the part, of the else. If we're simply logged out, if we're simply logged in, the user will see the cart right now. All right, so if we save this whole thing, let's now go ahead and refresh this. Yeah, let's go back first. Let's try to access the login page, for example. So let's refresh this right now. All right, let's refresh this. Let's see what's gonna go down. All right, so it's taken too much, which I'm not sure why. Let me just stop for a second. All right, so check it out. Right here, we cannot see the cart link right over here because it will be displayed now if we're just logged in. All right, but let me go ahead, and if I try to actually go ahead and access it right here, you can see that we'll still access this the cart page, which is just messed up because again, I want this to be only accessed if we're logged in. So we have to go ahead and validate this also in the back end. All right, so I want to go to app, and I want to go to HTTP. I want to go to controllers, foods, and I want to go to my controller. Let's go to this right here. As you can see, there is actually, let's see, right here. I want to go to the routes first. I want to check for something. I want to go to the web right here. All right, so food/cart right over there, and this is display cart items for the controller. All right, so there is display cart items right there. So I want to go right here, if auth like that, user. All right, so if we're logged in, simply, this is what I mean by this line right here. If we're authenticated, if we are authenticated, just go ahead and run this code. Otherwise, we're gonna go ahead and do something like else. We can go a port like that, and we can just send in a 404, all right, page, and let's save this. So now let's go ahead and refresh this. As you can see, it's gonna send us the not found right here. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead right now and try to access this right here. So we will be able to access it. All right, so I want to grab my email and my password right here. So it's just reloading a bit too much right here. So let me go to the users table. All right, so there we go. Let's copy this. Let's go right here, paste and paste, log in. All right, so as you can see, now we can access our own cart. So if we click on the cart right here, all right, so as you can see, /food/cart, and we have our own product right here. All right, but that's not everything. Basically, if I deleted this, delete it like that. All right, so as you can see, item deleted from cart successfully, and you have no items for in the cart just yet, and the total is simply 0, which is totally fine with me. But if we do not have anything inside the cart, I simply want to go ahead and like hide this button or something, because I don't want the user I don't want the user to check out and he to access the checkout page and he does not even have any kind of products in the cart. All right, so yeah, that that makes total sense. So let me go ahead and try to validate this. So all of this is going to be in the front end, of course. So if we just go to views right here, if we go to foods, and if we go to cart, you can see if we go down there, I want to grab the food price. Sorry, I want to grab the price. Yeah. So I want to copy this right here, and I want to go, there is the button for the checkout. We go down there, F price right here. We do not need to copy it actually. If the price is equal to 0, all right, we're gonna go ahead and actually display nothing, or we can just send write a symbol text, that's fine. We can just go paragraph like this, and we can go class alert dash success, something like that. We can go you can't check out when you have no items in cart. All right, something weird like this. So if you have your own text, your own vocabulary, just go ahead and write it. We just have to let the user know what's going on, that's all. All right, so we go else like that. We will go ahead and display the button that will allow this guy to simply just check out. All right, so now right after this, we're just gonna go ahead and go and F. All right, so just save this. So now this will refresh, and we're going something like you cannot check out when you have no items in cart. The design is messed up a little. So you can make of this what you want. This is not a design course, so if this happened to you, and it will actually happen to you, it will be like that. So just go ahead and work with the design yourself, or in the next video, or when I am like off camera, I will work my way through it, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did. All right, so yeah, this will actually be everything for the validation for the cart, for the back end and in the front end. And in the next video, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna work with the checkout. All right, so yeah, this is all, and I will see you in the next video.